Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to create a box and whisker chart in Microsoft Word. This chart type is widely used in statistics and data analysis to show the distribution of data, including the minimum, maximum, medium, and quartiles. Instead of manually drawing chart, Microsoft Word allows you to quickly insert professional box and whisker chart using the built-in chart tools connected the Excel data. This is perfect for research paper, reports, academic project and presentations. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment. Now I want to create a boxer and whisker chart. Click the cursor on my page, then go to the insert menu, click the chart option, then we can see here many chart. Now I am select the whisker and boxer chart, then we can see here the chart. Now I am click OK, then we select the chart and we can see here automatically open the Excel data sheet. You can change the name, data, etc. to this Excel chart. Now you can see we change the data, like we change 25, we can see here changed. We can see here change the data. We can see select the chart and go to the design menu. We can see here many chart design, like here you can add any design. Now I am select this, otherwise you can change the color of the chart. Here many color. I hope we understand this process. This chart inserting is very easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.